Hello and warm welcome to you all to Talkie English in this new video. أهلا ومرحبا بكم جميعا متابعي قناة Talkie English في هذا الفيديو الجديد.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing good and you're all well. Today's proverb is going to be a rolling stone gathers no moss. I repeat, a rolling stone gathers no moss. We use this proverb to say that someone who is constantly on the move, like switching jobs and places, he or she is a kind of person that does not want to take responsibility. They're not a person who want to be responsible and making family and stuff like that. So this is basically what this proverb means. So I hope you've got something from it. Don't forget to support me by hitting that heart and follow button, and if you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments below. See you guys in the next one. Salam alaikum.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful and you've got something from it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you like this content, please click subscribe and show us your support by clicking that like button and activating that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. شكرا لمشاهدتكم هذا الفيديو. إن كانت لديكم أي أسئلة رجاء أن اطرحوها في التعليقات. لا تنسوا إظهار دعمكم لنا باشتراككم في القناة، إعجابكم بالفيديو وتفعيلكم لزر الجرس لتتوصلوا بأحدث الفيديوهات فور رفعها.